In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on the beauty filter on Zoom. If you've ever wanted to enhance your video appearance subtly during meetings or calls, this guide will show you just how easy it is to do that. Let's get started. First, you'll need to press the Windows key on your keyboard. This step brings up the Start menu, which gives you quick access to search and open applications on your computer. Now, in the search bar, go ahead and type Zoom. Double-check that the Zoom application is the correct one, then click to open it. This will launch the main interface of Zoom, where many features are readily accessible. Once Zoom is open, look for the New Meeting button. Clicking this will quickly set up a meeting, allowing you to enter a personal virtual room. Hit Start once you've opted to create a new meeting and wait patiently as the meeting room loads. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. Now that your meeting space is ready, you'll see that there are several options along the bottom of the Zoom window. Locate the small upward arrow next to the video button. Clicking this arrow will bring up a list of choices related to video settings. From this list, select the option that says Choose Video Filter. This selection takes you into a menu where you can adjust how your video appears. In the Video Filter menu, your next step is to navigate to the Camera tab. Here, you'll find the setting for Touch Up My Appearance. Turning this option on will apply a slight smoothing effect to your video, helping to reduce any visible blemishes and give a softer look to your skin tone. But we're not done yet. For even more customization, go to the Studio Effects tab. In this section, Zoom offers additional enhancements that you can apply to your appearance. These include the ability to add digital eyebrows, a mustache, and even change your lip color. Feel free to experiment with these options to find a look that suits your style or the occasion best. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, your Zoom video will appear more polished, giving you that extra bit of confidence in your next meeting or chat. Remember, these features are there to enhance your appearance, providing a subtle and professional touch without being overly noticeable. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps make your Zoom calls a bit more enjoyable. Until next time, take care and stay connected.